Alright guys, we made it to Pasco where we are going to be picking up the boat from Nixon Marine, which you guys have seen in the last video when we came over here to check out the boats. I know I didn't give you obviously a visual of what the boat looks like yet, but this is going to be the day. So we're headed out of here. Brian just got funds from the bank, so we're gonna go see this thing all dialed in and back at Nixon's. Let's go see the boat. Brian, you pretty jacked? Last time we were here, you were pretty jacked.
Last time here, I was nervous because my truck was being all shitty.
Yeah, we got that fixed. That's good. Look at this sweet Vexus.
That's so cool.
This is Brian's new champion. He is now a champion owner. Alright guys, we are headed to the water now. We got the boat picked up, but like I told you guys before, this guy that we're working with through Nixon's Marine, his name's Blaze, big shout out to him, and just for helping us through this whole process and everything of getting the boat. He just couldn't have been nicer and more helpful. But we're gonna get out here to the water. After we fuel up, we're gonna put some gas in the boat, and then we're gonna go check it out. So I'll bring you guys along with. Thanks for tuning in with this little episode.
Good old cold-blooded fish.
Right. Hey guys, if you're ever looking to go get a boat from Nixon's, check my boy out, Blaze here. He will help you out. He'll get you on a boat, and you'll be very, very jacked with it. So it's pretty much gonna do it for the boat video. We're gonna get this thing loaded up and all tarped up and whatnot and headed home. So thank you again, man. It was a pleasure. Super glad we came out here, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna go help Brian get backed up here because he sucks.